omukoro gwokushendekereza injini ya gashomu gwishyurweho enkuyanja y'abantu okuruga eshonda n'eshonda kandi azicurwa mu makage omuri Kibarya omuri Nyakitoko Nyakishana Town Council omuri district ya Buhweju.
So I got a call from my daughter Abdi. She went direct the point. Just daddy up, daddy up. Tabahochi. Daddy up, daddy up on my message. Daddy has grown. Where? I can't Kampala I'm transferred as a ginger. And there at River Nile. Our phones about the name I'm not bothered also. The name will really distracts me.
Echichanga chaferwa district yaferwa na region yaferwa ni hagari hajarata yaferwa namwe no bachakwereze ndara abantu batarbo ababo bakabe babayi bamuhiri
abana be bamugambireho unko kwabire nabakunda kandi ariko bareberera kurungi
ekiyabe nakunda ekiyabe atukunda akatugambira numwenda gukora ki edu yinino ndakora ki ojo tati niwe dade ndakora utkari ndakora medicine ko yakoze pharmacy ajati nondishe meriya bugambiri yo kwenda ajati ninkutwara
akatuza tweleka twino kuvaluinga we have to recognize blood a lot. When we were young, one of our uncles, our dad used to never pay there alone. So he was like our father.
Banywani be nabo borekera okushasha ahabwa ikintu cyango ecyabasiziremo.
Rwakashanga has been very dependable. Rwakashanga yakunwanire mwikirizine numbabanwani kandi nagamba mazima kandi akoragana niwe kandi agambira n'ekikushasha we nakigambira mwene Rwakashanga okutwako missing nga friend
patana imikolayo munana kumanya inanda otu wajiro tatu katwiye chuba nawo bari mu kintu cyo muhamo so ngo utwabe turiyo nshahora kureda kureda of course keri yari that authorized ikonka tukatwine kona mutwamu covering kugira ngo titakamwe ngo cyaze kumanywa kureda ne yageze ryo nekore ibindi nuziyangwa ahiryo kuri nekora so ekintu cyo bakwita patana imikolayo so Rwakashanga was our patana imikolayo
ababire nakora nabo bamugambira ngo kwabira ryo mukozi kandi ari ukozesa amazima.
He helped us to work with the National Bureau of Standards to develop petroleum standards. Some of the benefits we have today are because Gashomo was there to lead that process.
Asigere omukazi umwe na n'abana batano kandi aferira ha myaka 52 y'obukuru.